That's a good idea.
Yeah, got to give people an idea, just that friendly reminder if there is sun. Although hopefully, guys, we're going to have some more of it. I had a little bit of it down here earlier, and it's again gone. My armchair.
Nice.
What would you call it yesterday? Armchair weathercasting.
Did you get? Have you heard thunder in your area down south, Greg? At all?
Nope.
I see a lightning strike in the Kitsap Peninsula. No? Okay, you either right, Joyce? We got some scattered showers, and I just saw a lightning bolt, and I'm going to get to the radar and show you where. So we are seeing a couple of isolated thunderstorms, and yes, we will have some more sunshine for you in the 7-day forecast. In fact, by next week, it's really going to be a whole different story. All right, so this is the radar loop for the past 2 hours, and I'm going to zoom on in here. You've got a couple of scattered showers, and then you can see some of that rain producing some of those thunderstorms. Now, just over the Kitsap Peninsula, there's a little lightning bolt over to the left side of your screen. You can see some heavy rain near Snoqualmie, Seattle as well. And then as we head up to the north, we've got a few scattered showers here. So we had a little bit of sunshine, as you mentioned, Greg, and that gave us some instability. We do have the cold air coming overhead as well from the system. You felt the cold air today. Snoqualmie Pass has been mostly rain. The snowfall levels are at about 4,000 feet right now. They will hover close to 4,000, maybe 4,500 feet tomorrow. And Stevens Pass had a little bit of light snow on the ground. Tomorrow, a little more snow. We could add another 2 inches of fresh snow above 4,500 feet. So again, Snoqualmie Pass will be closer to 3,000 feet. Will only be a rain event tomorrow. As we got the rainfall totals so far for the day, 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. Not all that bad. Certainly good to help out with the grass. We talked about the gardens, the flower, everything kind of, getting some nice rain. Current temperatures mostly mid-50s, low to mid-50s at that, and average for this time of year is 66. All right, so here comes the wind out of the west, northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, and then we've got a couple of gusts closer to 30, even over that, 31 in Shelton, Hoke William 28, 20 in Quileute, 26 Tacoma. So, hey, pause a moment with Craig. This is Jax. Look how cute that is. Who stopped to take a picture by some chalk art that says, "Looking good today." Yes, you are. And keep that in mind every day. Just keep at it, right? So 9 o'clock tomorrow, spotty showers, 50 degrees. We'll only get to about 59 by 3 p.m. with cloudy conditions. Here's Futurecast, 9 p.m. The convergent zone is really set up from Seattle to Tacoma, and it heads south a little bit. By midnight, the next round of rain starts to come in, and it's coming in from the north. It's just going to scrape by us, really. The Olympic Peninsula not going to get anything out of this, mostly just cloud cover. Most of this will be for the sound. And then by the afternoon, we start to see this clear out. So it'll be a cloudy end to the week on Friday, but we should be done with the rain after about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, just cloudy conditions. Estimates with the rainfall totals for the next system, about 1/10 of an inch of rain or less at best. Tonight we do drop to the 40s. Your highs tomorrow mainly up into the upper 50s and a few low 60s, kind of like we did today, maybe a degree or two warmer, but it's kind of chilly for this time of year, but not all that bad. 7-day forecast, we've got 60s, lows to mid 60s for a few days. Then Saturday we're dry. Sunday, slight chance for some spotty showers. We'll get a couple of spotty showers on Monday. Now let's look at Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I know we have the holiday weekend coming up, Memorial Day, but as we go into Wednesday and Thursday of next week, mid to upper 70s, maybe approaching 80 by the time we get to Thursday. But meantime, tonight, we'll watch for some of those isolated thunderstorms for about another 2 hours until we start to lose some of the daytime heating as the sun goes down.
Sounds good, Craig. Talk to you again later.